the handlers, the family members, the results of our competition. Mr. Philippines, we will begin with our first title tonight. This is our Mr. Philippines Ambassador.
Our Philippines Ambassador, we have Mr. Noel Ajero. The winning candidate will receive a sash, a cash, a crown, and a bouquet.
Mr. Philippines Ambassador, Mr. Philippines La Union!
La Union's Mr.
Six, again it is Mr. Philippines La Union. One of Narito. This one every night is our Mr. Philippines Mindanao.
Mindanao 2026, we have Mr. Arnold Bakuli, Ms. Mikael.
For Mr. Philippines Mindanao, Mr. Philippines Talavera.
Vera is Mr. Denver Valencia.
This is our Mr. Philippines Visayas.
For Mr. Philippines Visayas 2026, we have Mr. J. Lawrence and Ms. Rowena Luna. Give a sash, cash, crown, and a bouquet.
The city, our Visayas. This is Mr. Philippines Albay.
Alba, Sir Kenji, Alec, Bataller.
Tonight is for Luzon.
Crowning Mr. Philippines Luzon 2026, we have Mr. Jeff Ostinol and Sierra Ronnie Manalo.
It is you, Mr. Philippines Camarines.
Camarines is Ms. Jerald Lorio.
Congratulations, Philippines Luzon. And tonight, present the country in the global stage. Tonight, the Philippines, gentlemen of the world.
Mr. Philippines Gentleman of the World 2026, we have Aski Pascual and Mr. Irving Noyal.
What do you think is the Philippines gentlemen of the world? Guys, come on! The newest Mr. Philippines gentleman of the world. It is Mr. Philippines Iligan
City is Mr. Isang Yaranon.
Again, make some noise for Mr. Philippines Jerald, Mr. Iligan City. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Mr. Philippines 2026.
Our Mr. Philippines 2026, we have the CEO, Ronnie Manalio and Beth Marino. The winning can receive a sash, a cash, crown, and a bouquet.
Mr. Philippines 2026. It is Mr. Philippines. Mr. Philippines Laguna. Congratulations to everybody. So Mr. Philippines 2026. It is Mr. this year's Mr. Philippines 2020. And of course, everybody, pwede po ba ibigay natin ang pinakamalakas na palakpakan ngayong gabi? Here are our newest set of kings for Mr. Philippines 2026! Smile, everybody, and thank our sponsors for tonight's brilliant success. Maraming salamat po for making our second annual edition a great success. Thank you also to all of our support.